S-400 missile system, also known as Sudarshan Chakra, is one of the world's most advanced long-range surface-to-air missile system developed by Russia's Almaz Anti. India's acquisition of Russian-made S-400 Triumph in 2018 has significantly boosted its defensive capabilities through this advanced long-range surface-to-air missile system. During the May 2025 India-Pakistan conflict, India deployed its S-400 missile defense system to intercept and neutralize multiple Pakistani missile and drone strikes targeting key military installations across northern and western India. The S-400 advanced capability allowed it to thwart a series of coordinated aerial attacks, including those aimed at Jammu, Pathankot, and Amritsar, thereby preventing potential damage to critical infrastructure and military assets. S-400 missile system overview. S-400 missile system SA-21 Grozer is a long-range surface-to-air missile system developed by Russia's Almaz Central Design Bureau in the late 1980s to counter advances in Western air defense systems like the MEM-104 Patriot. It was intended to replace the earlier S-200 and S-300 systems developed by in the 1960s and 70s. S-400 Sudarshan Chakra. India's S-400 air defense system is named Sudarshan Chakra after Lord Vishnu's mythological weapon symbolizing swift and precise destruction. This designation reflects the system's capability to detect and neutralize aerial threats rapidly and accurately. The S-400 Sudarshan Chakra enhances India's defense technology by providing a robust shield against diverse airborne attacks, reinforcing national security. S-400 missile. Which country? The S-400 missile system is developed by Russia. It was designed and manufactured by Russia's Almaz Central Design Bureau as part of the country's advanced air defense capabilities. India signed the 5 S-400 missile system deal with Russia in October 2018, boosting India-Russia relations. S-400 missile system features. S-400 missile system stands out for its sophisticated radars, long-range missiles, high mobility, flexibility, adaptability, and networking capabilities. Designed to counter a wide array of aerial threats, the S-400 is a cornerstone of modern air defense. It has significantly enhanced the nation's air defense capabilities, especially during the recent attack by Pakistan. Some of its features are S-400 missile speed. S-400 missile system is renowned for its exceptional speed. Its missile can reach a maximum speed of up to 17,000 km per hour, approximately Mach 14, allowing them to intercept fast-moving targets including high-speed aircraft and ballistic missiles. It can operate at altitude between 10 meters and 30 kilometers, including intercepting ballistic missiles near the edge of space. S-400 missile system price or cost. The cost of the S-400 missile system varies based on the configuration and quantity purchased. A single S-400 battery, which includes multiple launches, radars, and command posts, is estimated to cost around $1.25 billion. Maintenance, training, and operational expenses can add to the overall cost over the system's life cycle. In 2018, India signed a contract worth $5.4 billion, about 35,000 crore, for 5 S-400 units, making it one of the largest defense acquisitions in Indian history. S-400 missile range. S-400 missile system's missile range varies depending on the specific missile type. The system's radar can detect target up to 600 km away. 9M96E, 9M96E2. These missiles have an engagement range of up to 120 km, ideal for intercepting medium-range threats. 48N6E3 with a range of approximately 250 km. This missile is effective against high-speed aircraft and missiles. 40N6C. The longest range missile in the S-400 arsenal, capable of engaging targets at distance up to 400 km, providing a robust defense against advanced threats, detection and tracking. The S-400 missile system boasts impressive features including a wide area search and track capability, capable of maintaining 300 target tracks while engaging 36 threats. It uses a diverse radar suite such as the 96L6E to provide 360 degrees surveillance against various targets and can track stealth aircraft Using advanced detection methods, its phased array radars are resilient in electronics warfare environments with both active and passive guidance, ensuring accurate tracking, mobility, and rapid deployment. In terms of mobility, the S400 is designed for quick deployment with components mounted on wheeled vehicles for easy transport. The system can be set up in just 5 to 10 minutes, and the shoot and scoot ability allows it to fire missiles and quickly relocate. It offers flexibility with a point defense or area defense modes and can engage threats from low to very high altitude, including ballistic missiles. Flexibility and adaptability. The system also adapts to various threats with reprogrammable software, multiple guidance modes, inertial, active, passive, and satellite, and seamless integration with other systems like S300, Tor, and PantSeed. Its network sensor has launches enhanced redundancy and resistance to electronic attacks, making the S400 a formidable defense tool. S-400 Missile System Operation Sindoor. The S-400 missile system, popularly known as Sudarshan Chakra, was recently deployed during Operation Sindoor to intercept a Pakistani missile. This came after India conducted a targeted strike on terrorist camps in Pakistan as a response to the Pahalgam terror attack. In retaliation, Pakistan launched a coordinated attack using drones and missiles aimed at 15 Indian cities including Jammu, Amritsar, Ludhiana and Bhuj. The S-400 system successfully intercepted and neutralized all incoming threats, preventing potential damage to critical military installations and civilian areas. This marked the first combat use of the S-4 system by India, demonstrating its capability to track and engage multiple aerial targets simultaneously within a 400-kilometer range. The system's deployment provided a robust shield over India's airspace, allowing offensive operations such as Operation Sindoor to proceed without diversion of resources for homeland defense. The successful interception of Pakistan's aerial threats underscores the S-400 role as a critical component of India's multi-layered air defense strategy, enhancing national security and deterrence posture in the region. Comparison of S-400 missile system with other defense systems. The S-400 outperforms systems like the MIM-104 Patriot, HQ-9 and THAAD with its longer ranges, multiple missile types and superior tracking capabilities, offering more comprehensive coverage and adaptability in diverse defense scenarios. S-400 missile system importance. India's S-400 acquisition from Russia in 2018 is geopolitically significant, giving it leverage in relation with both China and Pakistan. Deterrence. The S-400 missile system helped deter regional adversaries such as China and Pakistan. It was recently used by India, which successfully intercepted the incoming missiles from Pakistan. India-Pakistan relations have become sour in recent times. Pakistan with a 400-kilometer range, the S-400 can cover much of Pakistani airspace, making it possible to enforce no-fly zones over border areas, reducing enemy air activity and limiting Pakistani AWACS operations. China. It can counter China's J-20 stealth fighter and disrupt support systems like AWACS and aerial refueling tankers, limiting China's air campaign capabilities. Defensive shield. The S-400 provides a defensive shield over India's major cities, critical infrastructure and strategic facilities. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and 30 other cities come protective umbrella of the system with its 100-kilometer plus engagement radius. Sea denial against naval forces. S-400 long-range surveillance can track naval forces including Chinese aircraft carriers and Pakistan Navy ships from hundreds of kilometers away. This reduces their ability to operate near India, while shore-based S-400 system help secure the seas and protect Indian airspace for naval dominance. Boost air operations. The S-400 enhances air operations by protecting air bases, forward posts, and strategic infrastructure, allowing India's offensive air forces to operate without distraction. It reduces the need for homeland defense, enabling forces to focus on targeting adversaries while also making border patrol safer. S-400 missile system limitation. S-400 aptly fulfills India's deterrence requirement from a defensive technology perspective against regional adversaries. Despite boosting India's military capability, the S-400 has some strategic constraints. Defensive-only assets. It remained a defensive system unable to conduct surface attacks or siege enemy territory. China-Pak Nexus. Joint air power cooperation between China and Pakistan, including operations from each other's soil, can create two-front challenges that increase the stress on Indian air defense. Missile apps. Upper tier area defense gaps remain against hypersonic glide vehicles, which the S-400 has yet to demonstrate full capability against short-term protection against saturated artillery rocket attacks is also limited. Cost implication. The S-400 high unit and life cycle cost constrained funding available for other military modernization programs. It impacts the fiscal headroom for acquisition. Geopolitical fallout. More S-400 purchases could attract US sanctions. Acquiring interoperable Western systems get complicated. The S-400 thus also brings geopolitical costs. S-400 missile system way forward. While transformative in capability, the S-400 also poses several challenges that India must systematically address to fully benefit from the system. Some key issues are integration with existing networks. The Indian Air Force has legacy Soviet origin systems like S-125, Pichora, OSA-AK and Kavadrat, and upgraded variants alongside newer European acquisitions like MRSAM and Spider. Integrating the Russian-made S-400 data links and systems seamlessly into this heterogeneous network with older Indian, Western and Russian platforms will involve technical complexity. Training. Operating the S-400 requires overseeing a complex mix of sensor data links, C4I centers and shooters. Comprehensive training of personnel at the operator and supervisory levels is essential. Address gaps. Now with standing into its formidable capability, the S-400 cannot address all air defense requirements by itself. A multi-tier architecture is necessary to plug weakness. Short-range manpads and SORDAS units to protect S-400 batteries and address low-altitude threats. Systems like MPADS, VL, SAM and truck-mounted guns fit this requirement. A coordinated network of short, medium and long-range air defense systems is necessary to optimize capabilities and address vulnerabilities across the full spectrum of threats. Adapting strategies against emerging threats. New threats like hypersonic glide vehicles, mini and nano drones, loitering munitions and fifth-generation aircraft using advanced countermeasures are growing air defense challenges. Adapting to these requires doctrinal and tactical innovation. The S-400 thus significantly strengthens India's defensive capabilities, but more efforts are needed in integration, training and ecosystem creation to exploit its full potential. Developing flexible strategies to address some limitation is important alongside offensive capability growth.